So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can make yourself like this and also like this. So this technique is called as de-aging. I just done this on FaceApp, but in this video, we're going to see about how de-aging works and how this de-aging used on movies. So if you're new here, I'm Aravind, this is Mr. Aravind. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified. Okay guys, let's get into the video. So first of all, I get this video idea after watching this movie. In recent days, this movie have been talked more. In this movie, they have been implemented de-aging method to the hero and made him very younger. So this is the real face and this is the de-aging version. So how this de-aging works? Not only this movie, there is lots and lots of Hollywood films having implemented de-aging method on their movies. So first of all, let's see what is de-aging. So de-aging is a process of making a person looks younger, not by using makeups, by just using visual effects. De-aging have been done with a combination of various processes like computer graphics, 3D modeling, motion capturing, motion tracking, CGI, 3D modeling and visual effects. First of all, motion capturing. So it was a very important part in the de-aging process. So you might see in the BTS of the movies, the actors will act with their black dots on their faces. Those black dots are considered as tracking points. So these tracking points are used to track face movements. So it is very helpful to use that motion trackings in their de-aging. Not only it is used for de-aging, those motion capturing is also used for CGI like this. And next is 3D modeling. So 3D modeling is also an important process in de-aging. So first of all, what they do in 3D modeling is, so let's take example of this GOAT movie. So in this movie, they have been released some BTS and some images of this process. Look at this image. So here, we have been sitting in front of a green mat and look around him. There is here n number of cameras surrounded him. What those cameras do is, those cameras take picture of him in 360 degree. So they need to have every single side of the actor to do the perfect de-aging, and those images have been processed while doing de-aging. And after this, we need some data, not data like this. I'm talking about data like this. Yes, we need some data resources like images of our younger version to make our aged version look like younger version. So now we got facial emotions that captured using their motion tracking, and we have 360 degree image data set, and we got the younger photos as a data set. So now we need to combine all of this. So first of all, create a 3D model of you. We have a footage that we shoot at with the real aged person. So with that clip, we just want to 3D model the aged person into a younger version. So the 3D model is used to clear the wrinkles, clear the aged look, and it helps to clear the skin. The main thing of de-aging is eyes and the jawline. So jawline needs to look sharp, and it will take lots and lots of time. Even it takes years for making perfect de-aged version of the person. When I was checking about this de-aging stuff, I tried to de-age myself to show you how to do de-aging, but it is a huge process. Really, it is a huge process. I tried to do some little clip of this video to show you, but it doesn't work correctly for you. I tried with some AI tools, but those AIs also doesn't properly works for me. So that is why I didn't do. I tried to 3D model and do those things, but I don't have proper requirements for doing those things. But in future, I will definitely do that. So that is what de-aging is. So that's a this video. Hope this video is informative to you. Got questions, ask them in comments. I will reply for you. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell icon to get notified. Okay guys, I will catch you tomorrow. Until then, signing off from Mr. Aravind.